So as we look into this, what I want to talk you through is people are concerned about a lot of things around Azure or going to the cloud or building new strategies. But I think it's critical that all of your development teams and even your operations teams have an opportunity to interact with Azure. There are three things I think that this brings you as a business and as a team. You can learn new things quickly. If I had to go out and learn how to work and interact with Hadoop infrastructure, I don't want to have to set up a huge set of clusters when I can actually go out to Azure and turn on a few features, work with these things, and try them. I, for example, have done that, especially when I was working with Power BI to interact with HD Insight and Hadoop structure. It was a lot easier for me to stand that up, do my development and testing, show it, and shut it down. So it's a very great way to learn new things. Container operations are new. Kubernetes is coming out. Is there something your development team wants to take advantage of? Do they want to take advantage of NoSQL and you're not sure how to implement that? All of those things can be done to learn and be a learning pattern for your teams without having to invest in infrastructure. Often the licensing is embedded in a lot of these things, so the cost is well known. This is also good prep. So the second item is also good prep for when you want to go to the cloud. If you're going to try it, you need to be working a subscription, understanding the components, starting to deal with the interactions, and know how to work in the cloud, because it is not the same. There are things that are different, and your team understanding that is a key to your ability to move more effectively to the cloud. Whether you're planning to move tomorrow or whether you're planning to move in a year, the more your team is familiar with the cloud, the better they're off you are going to be as an organization as you move forward. The last thing I think is really the business thing that matters. This breeds creativity within your IT organization and your development teams. And creativity can lead to new business opportunities and to improvements in your business. They will be able to work with these tools and see things that actually matter for them. So now they have the opportunity to jump in, take advantage of that, and give you some new ideas. The risk is cost. It's always going to be cost because no one wants to spend the money. So here's three quick things at the end to help you manage your risk and cost. Dev test environments are available inside of Azure. These allow you to automatically set things to shut down. Trust me, it's important. Anybody who's been working in Azure a long time knows that this is a very important feature and it helps you manage those costs. But there are other ways to really tightly manage those costs with less risk to you as an organization. If your company uses MSDN licenses or some variation of MSDN licenses, even the developer licenses are fairly cheap. You can get free amount of spend in Azure from $25 to $200 a month just because you're using an MSDN subscription of some nature. So be aware that that is all available to you and there's no cost, and you're capped and it won't go over that. And the last way to look at doing that is from free trials. I know a number of individuals on our team and we'll spin up a free trial because they want to test something when they want to reduce the risk of spend. Super easy to do. You can spin up multiple free trials. The key there is to use those effectively and realize that they expire after a certain point. So they're a great POC opportunity for new things that have high cost risks like Azure Data Warehouse or HD Insight clusters. So if you want to learn more about how to take advantage of Azure for your development teams and how you can use it in your business more effectively, click the link below for more information.